short-sighted. And one of the things I loved about this story was everybody who thinks you're wearing a black hat isn't necessarily wearing that hat, nor do they intend to. And so it doesn't make it easy when the film asks you to root for someone who is a spy against the national security of our nation. How could we possibly come out the other end of this experience caring about this person? But in this case, we do. And that
Hi,
is really
boys.